in this lesson we will be doing activities based on arithmetic sequences or arithmetic patterns. So now we have been given the sequence 3, 9, 15, 21, and the first question says write the next three terms as if the pattern continues in the same way. So now we've been given that the sequence is arithmetic to start with, and it goes as 3, 9, 15 followed by 21. Then it goes further. Now, since the sequence is arithmetic, already we know a lot about arithmetic sequences, and they are saying to us write the next three terms as if the pattern continues in the same way. So now there are many ways in which one can solve these questions. Let's write spaces for the next three terms here. So we're going to come with the first differences. Okay, an arithmetic sequence has first differences only, it doesn't have the second differences. So we're going to come with the differences here. We're going to say that t2 minus t1, that is 9 minus 3, and that gives us 6. We're going to say that 15 minus 9, that gives us 6. For an arithmetic sequence, we know that for the first differences, they will forever be the same. Now, let's look at something important that is happening here. If you can note, how do we move from 3 to 9? Okay, we're going to say that 3 plus 6 gives us 9. And then 9 plus 6 gives us 15. 15 plus 6 gives us 21. 21 plus 6 gives us, this is what we'll write here. And the number that we'll write here, we're going to add 6 again to it to get the number here. And the number here, we're going to add 6 to it to get the third term which we are looking for. So let's do it. We are going to add 6 to 21. 21 plus 6 is 27. Okay, then what is 27 plus 6? That is 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, that is 33. Then we're going to add 33 plus 6, that gives us 39. I hope you understand that. This is how we can determine the next three terms in the given sequence. There are many ways in which you can do it. If you are comfortable with the way you are used to doing it, no problem, you don't have to change. But there's another way in which one can do it. For example, I'm going to show you based on the fifth one, and you will continue as it goes. So now, what is the number, or what is the term number after 21? That is term number 5. The term after this, that is term number 5. I'm sorry. So now we're going to write what we have learned. We have said that T5 is equal to A plus 4D. That is in the previous videos. Now A, we said that is the first term in the sequence. Now what is the first term in the sequence? The first term is 3. So that's going to be 3 plus, then it's 4 times the difference that is 6. What is 4 times 6? That is 24. Then we have 3 plus 24, and it gives us 27. You see, we've got 27 as well. But you have to do something that is more easier for you. If you can't do it like this, then you can do it using the formula. Or you can also say that T6 is equal to A plus 5D. Plus 5D. That is to look for 33 here. Then you're going to say that A is 3 plus 5 times 6. We know that 5 times 6 is 30. And then 30 plus 3, that gives us 33. Then that's term number 6. To get term number 7, we're going to say that T7 is equal to A plus 6D. And by doing so, you will get 39 as well. I hope you understand everything that has happened in here. So let's move to the next question. It says, write a formula for the nth term in the form Tn equal to. Okay, remember we have said that when the examiner says nth term, is the same as he is saying find the equation of the arithmetic sequence. Nth term, general term, expression of the nth term. That means the same thing. So we are going to write it. Let's erase here. Let me do it like this. And the last one here. Okay, we have said that the differences was 6. The difference was 6 as calculated, and A is the first term in the given sequence. We said that was 3. Okay, number 2, we know that the basic form of an arithmetic sequence is that Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 times the difference. Now all you have to do is to plug your terms, not a big job. A is 3 plus n minus 1 times d, and the d, that's 6, and you are done. That is the formula for the nth term. I hope you understand that. Now let's do number 3. They are saying determine the 80th term. Now you are determining T80. Remember when they say determine the 80th term, you are solving for T80, meaning you want the value that will be on position number 8. So we're going to say that is 3 plus, then where there is n, we say that n stands for the position. We're going to say that it's 80 minus 1 times 6, and you have to plug that in the calculator to find your answer. Let's do it. That's 3 plus, that's 80 minus 1 multiplied by 6. That gives us 477. That's the 80th term. Then the next question says, which term has a value of 165? Here we are solving for n. We want to know which term, meaning we are solving for n. We have been given Tn. Let's do it. Let's erase here for space. Okay, so our sequence is, our expression is Tn is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 times d, 6, that's 6, that's d, sorry, that's 6. So we have been given Tn this time, and we have to solve for n. Tn is the value, that is 165. So we're going to plug 165. We're going to say that 165 is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 times 6. We can take the 3 to the left side and say 165 minus 3, that is equal to n minus 1 times 6. 165 minus 3, that gives us 162. And here we have to do the distribution property, that is 6 times n gives us 6n. That is 6 times negative 1, that gives us negative 6. We take the negative 6 to the left side and it changes the sign. Then we're going to have, let's write here, we're going to have 162 plus 6 being equal to 6n. What is 162 plus 6? That gives us 168. 168 is equal to 6n. You divide both sides by 6. Both sides by 6. The 6 cancel the 6. You are left with n. And then you're going to divide 168 by 6. 168 divided by 6. That gives us 28. What does this mean? This means that term number 28 is the one which has the value of 165. Thank you for watching.